Welcome to the ILM Managing Recruitment module brought to you by Professional Futures. This series of videos will help you to successfully complete the module. I'm Tracy Callahan and I will be taking you through the module using a series of videos, the workbook, and providing you with top tips for successful completion. I've worked in HR for over 18 years and currently teach CIPD. So I've used my industry knowledge to select suitable, relevant and insightful articles for you to read, which will broaden and deepen your understanding of the topic. This video is the first in a series of 14 videos designed to take you through the subject of recruitment and selection. The Managing Recruitment and Selection module can be completed following the accredited route where the assessment is in the form of an ILM assignment. Or you can complete this in a non-accredited format, completing the workbook to structure your learning, but with no final assignment to complete. The contents include a workbook which covers the whole module, a set of slides for each section, and a video for each section. If you have decided to follow the accredited route, the final video will give you top tips for completing your assignment. This ILM Managing Recruitment module is a Level 5 qualification. The credit value it holds is 5, and there are 24 unit guided learning hours associated with this module. The aim is to develop understanding and ability to manage recruitment as required by a practicing or potential middle manager. The learning outcomes associated with this module are that the learner will be able to understand human resource planning in an organisation and be able to plan and implement recruitment in line with legal and organisational requirements. For Learning Outcome 1, understand the human resource planning in an organisation. This involves 3 assessment criteria. 1.1 is explain the role and relevance of human resource planning in an organisation. 1.2 is assess the impact of legal requirements on human resource planning in the organisation. And 1.3 is assess the impact of organisational policies and procedures in human resource planning in the organisation. There are 5 videos which will help you to cover Learning Outcome 1, which is understand the human resource planning in an organisation. Video 2 includes talent succession and workforce planning, whilst video 3 looks at the types of contract or workers that you need to plan. Video 4 explains redundancy and redeployment in HR planning, and video 5 outlines recruitment and selection. Video 6 ends at Learning Outcome 1 with considering the legal aspects of recruitment and selection. For the second learning outcome, you need to be able to plan and implement recruitment in line with legal and organisational requirements. Assessment Criteria 2.1 asks you to describe the recruitment process in your own organisation from the identification of a vacancy through to the appointment of the successful candidate. 2.2 asks you to justify a need for recruitment in your own areas of responsibility, and 2.3 asks you to implement the recruitment process in your own areas of responsibility, ensuring that all policies are followed and necessary records are kept in line with legal and organisational requirements. For Learning Outcome 2, to be able to plan and implement recruitment in line with legal and organisational requirements, this has been split across 7 videos. The first of these is video 7, which includes job analysis, whilst video 8 looks at job descriptions and person specifications. Video 9 examines advertising vacancies, and video 10 looks at the selection process. Video 11 considers interviews and the different types you might use. Video 12 examines the skills needed to successfully interview, and video 13 focuses on other selection techniques. The final video in the series is video 14, which includes a summary of the Managing Recruitment module, some final checks and top tips which will help you to successfully complete your assignment. For any queries including extra support or tutorials, you can contact us on info@professional-futures.com. We're now ready to start moving through the video series and help you to complete your workbook. When you're ready, turn to page 5 and move on to video 2.